Welcome to 8.5 arc length. We're going to be able to solve for arc length today. So, first thing we need to know is the formula for circumference. Circumference equals 2 times pi times r, where r is the radius. All right, so why we need to use this? So to find the arc length, the length around the circle. Now we're not talking about a measurement. We're not talking degrees. We're talking length, like inch, feet, meters. So the formula is theta over 360 equals L over C. Theta represents the measure of arc AB. So in other words, the angle that we're dealing with. So theta is our angle. L stands for arc length. And for all of these questions, L is just going to be x. And C is the circumference. And circumference is 2 pi r. So the actual formula I want you to use is theta over 360 equals x over 2 pi r. Right, so let's use this in a couple examples. So here it tells us what the radius is, what our theta is. Our theta is our angle, so we're doing theta over 360 equals arc length over 2 pi r. Theta is 240, r is 12, and our arc length is our x. So we substitute that in, and then we cross multiply. 360 times x is just 360x. 240 times 2 times 12 times pi is 5,760 pi. Don't type pi in your calculator. These are actually going to be in your answer at the end. Okay, the final step here, to get rid of the 360, we divide by 360. 5,760 divided by 360 is 16. Don't forget the pi. Now, we were using the unit yards, so it's 16 pi yards for our arc length. Okay, so that's all for that type of question. So let's try another one. This time we're given a picture. Still using theta over 360 equals arc length over 2 pi r. Arc length is still x, that's what we're solving for. Our radius is 16. Our theta is our angle, 225 degrees. So we fill that in. 225 over 360 equals x over 2 times 16 times pi. Cross multiply, 360x equals, and then 225 times 2 times 16 is 7,200 pi. Again, divide by 360. 7,200 divided by 360 is 20 pi. And our units is miles. That is it for arc length. Go ahead and finish the 4 questions below and get that turned into Google Classroom. Good luck.